Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious banana pancakes, and I'm going to show you how to make them gluten-free and dairy-free. So you're going to need 2 ripe bananas cut up and smashed. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You also can use an egg replacer for this for vegans. You need 1 cup of all-purpose gluten-free flour, 1 tablespoon of gluten-free baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You're also going to need 3/4 cup of milk, which you can substitute for almond milk. Next, you're going to need to fold those ingredients into each other. Make sure you do not overmix this because it will ruin your fluffiness. Then you just add to your pan on medium heat, cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and that's it. You should have fluffy, yummy, gluten-free, dairy-free pancakes.